Hi guys, I'm Andre and today we're gonna make some really nice and easy bacon onion rings. Got an onion here, I'm just gonna use half of it. Gonna cut it into about 2 centimeters thick rings. I'm gonna pop out the individual rings. Now we're gonna wrap them in some smoked bacon. This is how it looks like. Gonna do all of them and get back with the end result. Okay, here they are. Used all my bacon and now they're gonna go in the oven at about 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes to half an hour. They are done. Look at these beauties. Right, here we go. They've been in the oven for about 30 minutes and I allowed them to cool slightly. Gonna give them a try now. Definitely give them a try. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe and come back for the next one. Bye bye.